So I started this week doing a bit of self-care. So I did a lovely face mask with red bean stuff in it. It's really nice and so happy with it. Then I did some colouring in a 1950s housewife book. So this is what I am doing. Just going to be wearing green, which I really love. How it turned out. Still not finished, but that's what I did for the meantime. Ta-da! I still need to paint all the background of it. And this is what the book looks like. And then a couple of years ago I went to Brighton at this time. So 2022. So that was amazing. Check out that vlog. And then I'm having a nice cup of tea. I'm waiting for my hair to dye. As you know, when you dye your hair, you got half an hour for while you wait. And I love redoing my hair back to ginger. So I'm excited. I have got a new job. Comment below what do you think job I'll be doing. And then also this is my week's notice into my job I have currently. So yeah. Love my hair dye. Just watching stuff on TV and enjoying my cup of tea. This is my 1940s look for the day. Proper 1940s with a snood, with a belt, everything you can think of. Turn my head to show you the snood. And then because it's a sunny day, I got my 1940 sunglasses. So this is my outfit of the day. I'm just going to go and get my eyebrows done. So yeah, just showing you what I'm wearing before I leave the house with my little cute 1940 snood. And then I put on some lippy. And now I walk towards my appointment. Showing you my outfit in the daylight. That night I had a burger, which was lovely. And then I got this cat penny holder, I guess, apron holder. I'll show you in a second. I'm just removing the one that was already there. There's like a couple of them. There's like 3 screwed on hooks I was using to keep all my aprons. And I found the cutest thing in a charity shop. So I'm super happy with it. So I'm just going to go grab it. There it is. So these are my cat hanging hooks. Cats on a line and their tails as hooks. So it was the cutest thing ever. So I'm going to put this up here where the hole was. I think it's the perfect size for my apron. So this had a little bit difficulties trying to screw this in. Then I used a hammer and then I used a screw. So I'll get there eventually, but bear with. So that's me trying to screw it in. And then putting down my tools and pick up new tools. Pull out the big guns, grab a hammer. So this is what I have done to add my 1950s inspired kitchen or granny core or whatever you like to call it. I think it turned out really, really well. I love it. It's cute as hell. And yeah, so once I've done this, see if it's going through, because I'm whacking it very, very hard with a hammer. So after all the whacking, I got my screwdriver and I got there eventually and tried and I eventually got it through the wood. As I did not have a electric drill or anything, so I was using what I had in hand, and so I got there eventually, and here it is, hanging stuff up, putting all my aprons on. So I've got 1950s, 1940s, a little round the waist apron plus Christmas apron, and then I also got my 1940s apron. I've got the